Hey, hello, I'm Dmitry. I'll be next who is presenting something new about Lido v3 or stVaults. So first of all, it's integration and user guide that we recommend to read to get familiar about of architecture overview and the layers and interfaces to interact, layers to integrate. So link to this guide will be presented in comments and also in description to this video. And also, I would like to show you a little demo, short demo of how stVaults UI, web UI works. So let's create a vault. I personally will use my own address as not operator, as vault manager and not operator manager. Not operator is exactly literally not operator of the vault. Vault manager and not operator manager are kind of admins or they are representing two main personas in the vault. Vault owner, it's vault manager, and not operator. This is not operator manager. Also, let's set up 5% non-operation fee and continue. When I create vault, I need to initially supply 1 ETH. So let's do it. Okay, cool. Quite quick today. Amazing. So now we have vault. We already have 1 ETH supplied inside the vault. Let's supply it more. So effective validation will start when we have more than 32 ETH in the vault. So let's apply 31 more. Okay, cool. Quite fast. Let's refresh the page. I see that, okay, total value of the vault now is 32 ETH. Our node operator can now deposit this amount of ETH to validators and start validation. And now I can immediately mint stETH backed by collateral. So our reserve ratio is 20%. It means that I can mint approximately 25.6 ETH. So let's mint, for example, 18 point something, and I will mint it to my address as well. Okay, let's wait. Okay, quite quick today as well. So what we have right now, we have total value. We have stETH liability. This is oh, okay. Something is a little wrong here. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Yeah. What's wrong? This is fine. Sorry. Yeah. So this amount of stETH that I minted. This is total capacity. My stETH capacity utilization ratio is this, and health factor is quite good. So this is how interface works. It's just a simple, very short demo. We're going to improve interface and make it full featured overview interface and kind of education interface for stVaults during the testnet. So it will be more interesting quite soon. So, and this is all from my side for today, and I will pass mic to Andrew. Thank you.
Okay, I think you see my screen. Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew. Our team develops UI, CLI, and other chain services necessary for working with stVaults. And I will show a live demo how to interact with the Predeposit Guarantee contract using the CLI tool, namely how to work with deposit validators. First of all, you can find the main description of the contract and basic cases with it on this page. PDG contract is a contract that mitigates deposit from running vulnerabilities outlined in LIP5. All necessary information with details of how PDG works can be found in this document. I will tell you about the base case using Predeposit, proof, and main deposit with the participation of the node operator, vault, and Predeposit guarantee contract. Considering the owner has already made a fund on the vault of the required amount of Ether for the deposit. This is happy path of use. So I don't see my tabs. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So I will use the Lido staking vault command line interface. This is tool for managing stVaults and monitoring their parameters. Here is the documentation. Here you can find a description of the commands for each contract that participates of stVaults. This tool is under development and allows testing the work of stVaults in the hooded testnet. In the future, to the mainnet, we will implement options for more security work with wallets, including NOCC, etc. At this moment, for the testnet, it's enough to use the EOA hot wallet. Okay, let's get started deposits. I will use pre-generated deposit data for the demo. Let's check account balance. Yeah, it is account of node operator. Let's check vault roles. Yeah, this is address of the report of vaults. Yeah, now I can see all roles of the vault, and yeah, we can see that my account is not operator in this vault. Okay, next, let's check the calculate parameters of stVault in the moment. Yeah, this is address of the report. Okay. What it was this capital? Yeah, we see that the capital enough to make a deposit. And at this moment, we are not interested in other parameters, but here you can see other parameters for vault and some charts. Okay. The design of PDG contract assumes that an operator must lock one Ether in the contract in order to make a pre-deposit from the stVault balance. This Ether will guarantee that the node operator will make a correct pre-deposit with correctly specified VC. You can read more in the documentation. For now, let's check balance of node operator in PDG contract. We need to use PDG model. Yeah, it's my address. Yes, we see total and locked. Yeah, we can see that I already have locked Ether and no free Ether. That is because I made serial deposit before the demo during testing. For deposit, pre-deposit, we need one Ether more. Let's top up operator balance model and write command top up, yeah, my address and one Ether. Let's go. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, finally done. We see that this transaction has been completed. CLI displays all the necessary information about the complete transaction, like method name, contract, transaction, and other information about status, block number, gas used, etc. Okay, let's check the balance again. Yeah, now you see, now I have a free total and log only 2. We can use another command like unlock balance. Yeah, I have 1 ether. Okay, let's go to Predeposit. Part of deposit it is the BLS. CLI allows us to verify the BLS signature in the deposit before you sending it. When sending a pre-deposit, the signature also checked. I will show a special helper for separate check. Let's check. Yeah, and start helper. And what we need it is vault address and deposit data. Yeah, I just got my pre-generated deposit data. Yeah, it is pre-deposit data for 1 ether. Was for pre-deposit we need only 1 ether. Yeah. Now I can see all is valid. Amount, deposit data root, signature, and on-chain verification valid too. Okay. Now we can proceed to the pre-deposit. For it, now we need to write start EDG module like and pre-deposit. We'll use the same deposit data as previous command. Yeah. Let's check. Yeah, the same pubkey. Okay. Yes, I'm sure. Only what we need to for this command it is vault address and deposit data. And it's all. Okay. Everything went well, and the predeposit was made from the stVault address. Let's check beacon chain. Yep, I have one more deposit for new validator for 1 ether. Okay, let's check account info. Yeah, before I have 10 ether, now I have 99, and I spent some ether for the gas. And let's check bulk parameters. Yep, before we'll have 34 ether, now it's 33. Okay, and let's check not operator balance in PDG. Sorry, I need to read comma, yeah, of course. And let's show all balance. Yeah, now I have total 3 and locked 3. And let's check validator status, because PDG has statuses for validators that used in PDG. Status, and let's copy. Let's copy pubkey. Yep. And now we see that status indicate like pre-deposited. Yeah, it's always pre-deposit. Now we need to make a proof and deposit the rest of ether to the validator. For this, I will use an already prepared validator for which a pre-deposit was made in advance. This is necessary to speed up the demo, since the validator does not immediately appear on consensus layer. Okay, I will use validator with this key. Yeah, let's check status of this validator. Yep, this pub key is predeposited too. Good. Okay, and next step is proof. Yeah, what I need copy validator index A76. Yeah, this one. Yeah, validator index. And let's make proof. PDG model, right? And proof for this validator. Yes, it's a little bit hard command because we need load validator state from consensus layer. Yeah. Okay. What we can see, this is proof for this validator, this transaction and result. Oh, yes, result of sending transaction, and now we're waiting transaction receipt. Okay, done. And let's check validator status again. And now it is proven. Good. And now we can do rest deposit to this validator to activate. PG model and not pre-deposit, it is full deposit. Deposit to be chain. Yes, and I'll copy deposit data. Yes, this deposit data for 32 Ether. And yeah, looks like all correct. Yes. Yep. Okay, and let's go check Beacon chain. Yes, now I have two deposits to one validator, pre-deposit and main deposit. All is valid. Good. Yeah. Now we just need to wait activation. And yes, it's all. I think let's check overview vault. Yeah, for now capital is 1 because we spent all either two deposits. Okay, it's all. You can find the rest of the comment in the documentation and here and here. If you have any question, you can ask in Telegram or in feedback form or directly in the issues in the repository here. Okay, thank you.